Alright, in this lesson we're going to talk about comparisons. There are several errors that you can make when you're making a comparison in writing. And one of the ones we want to start with is the incomplete comparison. When you make a comparison, you must make sure that it is logical and that it is complete. In other words, you have to compare apples to apples. So let's take a look at this example. Fort Myers Beach is better than any beach in Florida. Well, think about this logically. Can Fort Myers Beach be better than itself? Because it is a beach in Florida. So when you see something like this, you need to stick in the word other. So now we've got Fort Myers Beach is better than any other beach in Florida. And now I've got a complete logical comparison. Alright, here's another example of illogical comparison. I've got the sentence here, Bob's fish was larger than Chip. So let's look at the subjects here. We got fish. So fish is one subject. Now, what are we comparing the fish to? We are comparing this fish to a person. Does that make sense? No. Unless we're trying to say that this fish is bigger than Chip, who maybe is only 10 inches long. Otherwise, it doesn't really make a lot of sense. So what we have to do to fix it is Bob's fish was larger than Chip's fish. Now you're comparing a fish to a fish. And we've got a logical comparison. Another problem we run into with comparisons is a comparison using as. We use as quite a bit when we're comparing two items. And when we say it in speech, we sometimes leave off the second as. So when you're comparing, like in this sentence, it's comparing Joan's baby with Sue's baby. So we can say Joan's baby is, we have to say as cute. I've got as cute as. I need the both as's in there. When we say it in writing, we tend to want to say is as cute. We tend to leave this one off, okay? So we'll say Joan's baby is as cute, if not cuter than Sue's baby. That's incorrect because we need the second as to make that comparison complete. So the only thing you need to remember with this rule is if you're using as, you need two of them. An as, and then we need the than. And then we've got a complete logical comparison. Here's another example of an incomplete comparison. Captain Joe catches 50% more shrimp. Well, what do you want to know? He catches 50% more shrimp than Captain John. Now you've got a complete comparison.